Tonight, there's a call for bail bonding reform. That's after shocking numbers show that most people facing misdemeanor charges never bond out.
New at 6, News Channel 5's Kimberly Davis explains how some are now pushing for change.
Innocent until proven guilty. That's the law of the land, but some say many people who are facing misdemeanor charges don't receive the same treatment when it comes to bonding out of jail. In fact, many of those people facing those misdemeanor charges are still behind bars because they simply just don't have enough cash to bond out.
What we have set up is two justice systems, one for poor people and one for wealthy people. And that's not fair.
An outcry for bail reform. Numbers released from the mayor's office show that most people charged with misdemeanors never bond out before their case is resolved. Public Defender Dawn Diener.
The primary problem with a money bail system is that it simply keeps people in custody solely because they're poor or living in poverty and they don't have the financial means to get out of custody.
Nearly 21,000 people were charged with misdemeanors in Nashville last year, but only 8,500 of those charged were able to post bond, leaving more than 12,000 people behind bars.
The primary reason those individuals are staying in jail is they just don't have enough money to post their bail.
Allowing people to pay for their release seems to be unfair to people who don't have much cash, but the district attorney disagrees.
Some of those statistics can be misleading.
General Glenn Funk says many of the defendants in jail don't bond out because they were never in jail for very long, and those that did were facing more serious misdemeanors like domestic assault.
Everybody that's just charged with a misdemeanor comes to court the very next day. And most folks that have their case in front of a judge, either the bond gets reduced, the case gets resolved, sometimes the case gets dismissed.
Bail reform has been met with heavy opposition, but something Diener says is needed.
If we see unfairness, it's our responsibility to do something to fix it.
Kimberly Davis, News Channel 5.
If Nashville did go through a bail reform, it would save taxpayers money if defendants were able to bond out faster.